Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry. I'm Mowers and Blowers! Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I'm working on Sketchy the truck. Lately, I've been having some problems with Misfire. It says on the OBD2 scanner tool that Misfire number 5, which means it's cylinder number 5, which is on bank 2, left side, driver's side, the first one in the front, since it's an 8-cylinder, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just used my thermometer and I scanned the exhaust manifolds of the bank 2 left side driver's side, and it's all 300 to 400 degrees, 300 to 400 degrees. And then on number 6, it was like only 100 and something, and then only 90 something degrees on the left one. So I know that there might be a misfire on cylinders 5 and 6. One way to rule out certain steps is to figure out whether or not your ignition coil packs are running right. Maybe it's arcing, maybe the boot has some insulation problems, all kinds of reasons. But one of the popular ways to correct that, or to rule it out, is to change the ignition coil packs for cylinder number 5. And today I just received a box from my friends over at Bravex. Here we go. Brand new set of 8 ignition coil packs from Bravex for my 2010 F-150 Super Crew R1008. So I'm just going to replace this and hopefully we'll fix some misfire. So it's really easy to remove, pretty easy. 8mm, 7mm screw. Disconnect the pigtail from the ignition coil pack, and here it is right there. This is the thing that was causing misfire. From the naked eye, it looks okay. I don't see any burn marks or anything. Take the boot out. It looks okay. Nothing obvious. Here's a comparison of the two. They're a little bit different, but this is a DG508. So I'm going to put this in and see if we notice any difference. Okay, now I just installed it. Start her up and see if we still have a misfire. Wow, what a difference. Before it was kind of going, you know, and then as I'm accelerating, you can feel a surge. It goes like this at some times. When I started this up, it was much quieter. I think we fixed it. Now all temperatures are about the same. Fantastic. I'll probably end up changing all my coil packs. So if your car is not running as good as you think it should, sometimes you get a misfire in your codes, all you have to do is just change out your ignition coil packs. I'll probably do all of these later on, but right now, cylinder number 5 is no longer misfiring. Thanks to my friends over at Bravex. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to check these guys out, and we'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Henry.
Mowers and blowers.
Mowers and Blowers.